Magandang hapon po ng Friday, November 15, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Friday, November 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng November 15, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, November 15, 2024. Here is my tonight's jackpot estimates for Ultra Lotto 658 and Mega Lotto 645 for November 15, 2024, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, November 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.